Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing and reads weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above we will search about reads. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, you will go to Play Store. Then we will search about reads. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.